In this video I will go again about extending our longevity to infinity, and I will talk about melatonin. This is part 3 of these videos, and let's go into details. As always, I recommend you to download presentation as PDF file from the description from the description to this video, so you can get to the source of information. You will probably understand better. And also reading will take shorter time, and maybe my pronunciation is not perfect, so it is again better. If you have time, okay, please watch the video. Melatonin, a hormone primarily produced by pineal gland, plays a crucial role in regulating circadian rhythm and sleep-wake cycles. Beyond its sleep-promoting properties, melatonin exhibits a wide range of biological activities with implications for aging and disease prevention. This presentation explores the multi-faced nature of melatonin, its potential as an anti-aging agent, and its therapeutic applications in various health conditions. Okay, we know that melatonin production naturally declines from age of childhood and leading to disruption in circadian rhythm and sleep quality in the older people. This decline is associated with increased susceptibility to various health issues, including metabolic disorders, cardiovascular disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative conditions. Disrupt sleep patterns due to reduced melatonin levels in the blood can contribute to chronic inflammation, impaired immune function, and increased oxidative stress, accelerating the aging process and contributing to disease development. Okay, you see that in children 10 years old, it is much higher, about 10 times more melatonin is produced than in older people, like older than 70 years. Melatonin supplementation has emerged the potential strategy to mitigate the age-related decline in melatonin level in the blood, improve sleep quality, and promote overall health and well-being. Melatonin exhibits, again, this was already relatively recent findings, that melatonin exhibits oncostatic properties, potentially slowing tumor propagation by interfering with tumor cell metabolism and growth. Studies have shown its effectiveness in reducing lactate production and glycolysis, anaerobic glycolysis, effectively depriving cancer cells of energy. This we're talking about cancer, but also other hyperintensive cells like senescent cells and cells infected by virus. Also, go to the glycation and glycolysis and lactate production, so melatonin can suppress the activity. So we see here the effect of melatonin, so it is really very good substance, very affordable, and so again you can see that a lot of benefits from melatonin. Again, about anti-cancer properties. Melatonin ability to enter cells through glucose transporters allows it to compete with glucose, disrupting the Warburg effect and this metabolic shift observed in cancer cells and other hyperactive cells. This mechanism contributes to suppression of tumor growth. Okay, we know that some hyperactive cells, they go to anaerobic glycolysis and produce energy from glucose, and if glucose transporting gate is blocked by melatonin, then it is again we can suppress activity of these hyperactive cells, especially tumor cells. Melatonin has demonstrated promising results in prostate cancer treatment, where it may counteract the Warburg effect, reducing lactate production and glycolysis from glucose. This activity could potentially enhance therapeutic outcomes, especially if it is combined with other means of treatment, other medical treatment. Okay, so again, it is blocking the gate for glucose, and then with suppressed anaerobic glycolysis, activity of these hyperactive cells is dropping. and eventually it can go to apoptosis. Melatonin has powerful antioxidant properties and protect against oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, and which are key contributors to cardiovascular disease. By neutralizing free radicals, melatonin helps to maintain vascular integrity and function. So you see, again, in oxidative stress we have high production of reactive oxygen species and oxidative enzymes, but and also higher production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, and melatonin can help. Melatonin safeguards elastin fibers from oxidative stress, preserving their elasticity and promoting healthy vascular function. This protective effect is crucial for maintaining blood pressure and preserving vascular stiffening. Okay, but it is chronic supplementation with melatonin is safe, and also it can be used to slow down aging and suppress cancer development. Melatonin has been shown to improve vascular tone and reduce blood pressure in hypertensive patients, suggesting its potential as a therapeutic agent for cardiovascular disease management. Skin rejuvenation and photoprotection. This again are relatively new. So topical melatonin has demonstrated efficacy in reducing skin damage and providing photoprotective effects against ultraviolet radiation. And when it is combined with vitamins D and C, its predicted benefits are enhanced. Melatonin has been shown promise in treating female alopecia, so hair loss, with significant results observed after 6 months of treatment. Further research is needed to explore its potential in hair loss management. Okay, so you see, again, melatonin has improved the treatment of alopecia. Combining melatonin with minoxidil, patent peripheral vasodilator, could potentially improve aorta elasticity and extend the longevity. However, clinical validation is required to confirm these effects. I was talking about topical application of minoxidil, and it can be combined with oral supplementation melatonin, but also with topical application of melatonin, so both. But of course, if you apply topically minoxidil and orally melatonin, probably better. But mind that melatonin has half-life only 3 hours after oral supplementation. Okay, so what roles has melatonin in cells? First, in normal cells it works like antioxidant and promote cell survival. So, and it is enhancing repair enzymes and reduces cell death, protects against radiation and chemotherapy. But in cancer cells, it works different. It works as pro-antioxidant, and it induces death of cells or apoptosis, because it stimulates production of reactive oxygen species, and this leads to damage of DNA and apoptosis of the cells. Melatonin is currently used to treat sleep disorders, particularly insomnia, due to its ability to regulate circadian rhythm and promote sleep. But this is in small amounts, like 2 milligrams of melatonin to improve sleep. But in my video, I was talking about much larger doses, up to 1 gram. Melatonin anxiolytic properties make it potential therapeutic agent for reducing anxiety and improving patient outcomes in pre-operative settings. Okay, so again, melatonin is calming down your brain, and if you use it during the day, but better maybe use it at night before bedtime, or maybe at night if you can sleep. Further research is needed to explore the potential of melatonin as therapeutic agent for preventing and managing cardiovascular diseases based on its antioxidant and vascular protective effects. Okay. Melatonin's anti-cancer properties, particularly its ability to disrupt tumor cells metabolism, make it a promising agent for cancer treatment and prevention. So again, it is relatively safe, and I will go into details in longer video, but again, melatonin, I just make this video again to focus your attention on so cheap, available supplementation which has no side effects, so you can use melatonin in much larger doses also for topical treatment. Okay, if you want to support my channel and my project, please press bell and bell button and like button, subscribe to my channel, ask some question in the comments, and share this information with your relatives and friends. Thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful day.